Tayo na. Sige ho. Sige ho.
O, kasi sandali lang. Tignan mo muna ka. Gusto mo ba masita kayo uli dyan? Teka.
Tatlong beses maghapon ho yan.
Parang natinig ko na yan, Ikaw.
Sarge, meron ba tayo dyan?
Meron ano?
Meron ba tayo dyan?
Hindi
na nga eh. Hindi na nga.
Puro kayo pusit.
Ba't kayo nagagalit?
Yung isa pa, saan nandun?
Ha?
Yung isa pang kasama nyo.
Ito.
Ito.
Naku. Sus. Ano yan?
Hindi mo marunong pumirma eh.
Sige, tuloy mo. Manaw ko na.
Chip, may itatanong lang ho ako.
Ano yan?
Ano nakakagat dito?
Ano ba niloloko nyo?
Tara.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Having a very shining nose.
Hi.
Good evening.
Mabuti naman at napasyal kayo.
Eh, ikaw talaga ang sadya namin eh.
You know, from the very beginning that I saw you standing there, you're always on my mind. And I think this is the endless love for me.
Endless love, ah? Oh, come on. You know, for me, you don't have to be beautiful to turn me on.
Ulul. We organize a song with the help of a friend. Just for you. We want you to listen.
Talaga?
Yes. And from there, you have to select the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Fernando or Paul?
Oh, Carol, huwag ka sanang fool. Huwag kang pumatol sa isang ulol.
Excuse me, sino ang ulol? Look at his face towel. He looks like a doll.
Darling, honey, sweet, please don't listen to his talking about. Look at his eye bags. He looks like an owl.
I will always make it a sweetheart, no matter what you do. Oh, Carol, I'm so in love with you.
Oh, Carol, my captain, I love you 4 scores and 7 years ago.
Oh, Carol, of all the billboards I ever did see, you are the clearest by far to me.
Darling, honey, sweetheart, please don't listen to his talking about. Look at his eye bags. He looks like an owl.
I will always buy guitar, sweetheart, no matter what you do. Oh, Carol, I'm so in love with you.
Excuse me,
Wait. That song is heartedly, cementedly, and aspartedly for you, my dear.
Yes. Hindi mo ba nagustuhan yung kanta namin?
Di naman kasi Carol pangalan ko, no? Margie!
Lukulukong Joey De Leon yun, ah. Margie nga pala ang pangalan nito, hindi naman Carol.
Ikaw naman kasi. Bakit kay Joey Dalong ka nagpagawa eh? Eh, nando naman si Monde Rosario, wala namang ginagawa.
Ano?
Yan na! Good evening.
Tuloy kayo. Come in.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Margie, let me show you my kindness. Let me show you my friendship. Let me show you my respect. Let me show you my love. Let me show you my siopaw.
Oh, thank you. You're so thoughtful pala.
Bakit?
Nagdurugo ang puso ko sa mga eksenang ganyan. Dahil dyan. Narito ang ketchup for you and for that siopaw.
Thank you.
Margie,
Yes?
may I ask you something? You have a special someone?
Who is your present crush?
Define love.
Teka. Not applicable. Kayo ba yung nag-dinner na?
Nako, hindi pa nga eh. Gutom na nga kami.
Pambihira naman kayo, di niyo sinabi ka agad eh. Jabar? May pagkain pa ba?
Wala na ho, ma'am.
Wala na pala. Sorry
It's okay. Ito na lang siopaw.
Pengi isa. Isa. Margie? Pwede makahingi ng soft drink?
Oo. Sandali lang
Yung malamig,
Bet ni Margie, no?
Ano pa naman yan?
Bula-bula.
Bola-bola?
You bought? Tubig. Buti ka mo. May baon akong siopaw. O hindi, nalipasan tayo ng gutom kina Margie.
Oo nga eh. Pero alam mo, Fernando, the way I look at it, to any point of Luzon, from Apari to Hulo, Margie is madly and deep, very deeply in love with me, 14 feet below the sea level.
Come on, Paul. You make me laughing. Don't you witness the growing of her eyes whenever she look at me? Especially the smile in her face whenever she talk to me. I think whether you like it or not, he's mine. And I advise you to forget her.
You're kidding me, Fernando. I know. I want the heart and soul, plus the big and small intestine of Margie. And to tell you frankly, actually, precisely, definitely, Quezon City, I want the heart of Margie.
Okay. If that's what you think, let Margie decide. And remember, her decision is final. Okay. May the best demand the win.
The okay.
Let's go.
But Fernando,
What?
I want to tell you something.
What? Okay, say it.
May isang bagay akong ipapakiusap sa'yo.
Name it, you have it.
Parang awa mo na, akin na lang si Margie. Sige na naman, akin na lang.
Usapan final eh.
Margie, I have something special you today. This is a sign of very long love for you. Ay special pansit. Oh, Canton.
Teka, umaasim yata usapan. Speaking of asim, special kalamansi for that special pansit.
Margie, just what I said before. I'm here again, Fernando in person, to tell you that I really care. And I always care for the rest of my life. I thank you.
As for me, Margie, my love will stay. It is my fervent hope that my love will stay. To cherish our love till death do us part, to the boulevard of broken dreams. According to a great poet, there is a saying, roses are red, violet are blues. Everything will change, but my love for you will stay forever and ever. Amen. God bless you.
Gentlemen, give me time to think. In the meantime, kakanin ko muna tong special pansit na to at nagugutom ako. Excuse me,
Margie,
Ma'am, pansit?
Ay, sige, thank you.
just what I said before. I'm here again to tell you I'm Fernando in person, telling you that I really care, and I always care for the rest of my life. I thank you.
As for me, my love will stay. It is my fervent hope that my love will stay, to cherish our love till death do us part, to the boulevard of broken dreams. According to a great poet, there is a saying, roses are red, violet are blues. Everything will change, but my love will stay forever and ever. Amen. God bless you.
Bakit?
Eh, wala naman kayong dalang pansit sa amin
Ikaw kasi, sinabi na sa'yo 3 pansit ang bilhin mo. E di sana na-table natin yung 2.
Mali naman ako doon. Just what I said before.
As for me,
I'm here again. Fernando in person.
my love will stay. To...
Hey, stop mo yan! Just what I said before.
As for me,
I'm here again
my love will stay.
to tell you that I really care.
To cherish our love.
And I always care
Till death
for
do
the
us
rest of my
part.
life.
My love will stay
Thank
forever and ever.
you.
Amen.